Welcome to Options Trading University. This piece is going to be, 1A. We're going to begin at the beginning. So the first thing that we're going to talk about is what is a call. And as with all options, a call is a derivative function of the underlying. In this case, you see here on Spread Hunter, which is our exclusive platform, you could see the underlying that we're discussing is the SPY ETF, which is trading at 258 and a couple of pennies. And why I say that is because it gives you the chance to see a couple of different things. There are three different kinds of calls. There's in the money, then there's the at the money, and then there's the out of the money. And what does that mean? It means in the money options have intrinsic value. You can see it here with the 255 call, which is 333. If you add 333 to 255, you get 258.30, which is about 30 cents above the price of the underlying SPY, which means that it has 35 cents of premium, which you can see on this side of the screen, and $2 or $3 of intrinsic value. If you go to the at the money call, the 258, you can see that it's 2 cents higher, or now 9 cents higher than the price of the underlying, and which means it has no intrinsic value. You are paying for $1.17's worth of premium for expiration on the 14th, which is Monday. You are paying this premium to capture control of a $25,790 stock or ETF. And so instead of paying $25,790, you can buy control of that for $117. The other option that we're going to talk about is the out of the money, which in this case would be the 60 calls. You can see that it's 2 points above the price of the underlying, and it's trading for 41 cents, indicating that it has a lower probability that you're going to profit by buying that. And by the way, we only talk about calls and, for that matter, puts from the long side. It's incredibly difficult and dangerous to start off with a sale. We like to say that the difference between a short call trader or even a short put trader and a bankrupt trader is strictly a matter of time. That being said, let's go back to the descriptions, and we're looking at the at the money 258 call here, which if you look at the delta, which is the relative value of these options to the underlying, you can see the delta for the 258 is right around 50, which indicates to you, the buyer, that for every dollar that the SPY goes up, you are going to receive 50% of that increase in value. That's what the deltas tell you. We look at them. We don't really trade with them, but they are a valuable tool. So we've covered what is a call and the different kinds of calls, and we're going to call it. We're going to call the end of this session with that information. Thanks very much.